Have a great day to all friends. Welcome House of Forex. Let me show you what's the profit of the day. Today the robot made good profit $126. One trade on boom 1000 of a buy $18. Another is scalping on volatility 100 1S index. And the overall profit is $126. So let's go and withdraw this profit. Okay. So wait, let me pause the video and go for withdraw. So guys, the withdraw is done from my MT5 account, and look here, is in my CR account $126. So now let's click on withdraw. They sent me an email. Let's check the email. Here is the email. Let's click on email and go for withdraw. Here is a withdraw request. Let's click on $126. Let's click on scroll. Request for payout. So let's wait for they send me the payment. Thanks for watching.